changing IT providers or like making core changes to how your IT services are delivered or secured is kind of like running a marathon. As a business leader, it's like running a marathon and having open heart surgery at the same time, right? It is a very painful and disruptive thing, to offboard from one provider and onboard with another. Now, some of you have gotten really good at this and your onboarding experience is really great. But then the mind of the prospect and the mind of the customer, it's IT is that for so many business leaders, it's that thing that they view as a cost center. They view it as painful and uncomfortable. And the last thing, you said, it's not sexy necessarily in their mind, to think about it. So usually what ends up happening, Michelle says exactly, multitude of services and solutions there. Totally, absolutely. But therein lies the paradox, because you as a service provider are supposed to be able to demonstrate core competencies in all of these areas and build trust and confidence with your customer. But how do you build trust and confidence with somebody that, unless they are begging for help because they are in the middle of an incident right now, or they're having a terrible experience with a current provider, there's something that's inciting them to seek out that open heart surgery.
Right.
You approach anybody else and they're like, this is the last thing I want to talk to you about. So like, you might be best at everything that you do, but when you talk about that next customer of yours, how do you earn them their mental real estate? And that might be